Hi everybody, my name is Darren LaPrade, application engineer here with Burt Process Equipment. Welcome back to our unboxing series. Today, to kick off 2025, we're going to be unboxing an Albin peristaltic pump, specifically the KB series. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, so to jump right into this pump, you can see we have a nice simplistic LED display, great for operators to know what's going on in their process as they're walking by. We have a very easy interface to understand. A click of 1 to 2 buttons can change you from mode to mode. This is our fluid cavity. The only wetted part on this entire unit is the tube. That has immense value for when we're pumping various chemistries where we only have one wear item. We have built-in protection if there was leaks to spill out, and this pump, based on the design, will not run dry, it will not airlock, and if you ever needed to replace that tube, it's as simple as that. You can stock multiple sets if you'd like, and in addition to that, we have various communication methods built in. 4 to 20 milliamp is acceptable, Modbus, Ethernet, Probus, and as well we also have a USB feature that can be added where you can connect various tablets, phones, and other units even to communicate with, monitor, and relay back to a PLC. This is a self-priming peristaltic pump that's going to deliver chemistry at a smooth, constant rate. In addition, we have suction lift capabilities up to 30 feet, and there is no chance of backflow or slip inside of the tube once we have the rollers activated. We have a built-in optical leak detection to notify you when that tube starts to fail, so that way you can prevent leaks before they even happen. This pump excels at high precision dosing in water treatment and wastewater treatment applications. It's great at pumping highly viscous fluids that are restrictive and less likely to flow on their own. To mock an application for you today, we're going to be increasing from a flow rate of 0 gallons a minute up to 0.02 gallons a minute. Going down, you can see we can set that point here. We have a flow rate programmed. We can simply start the pump. If we're looking to stop flow at any moment, simply one click of a red button here, and now the pump has come to a standstill. So that's going to wrap up our session for today. Thank you for watching. We hope you learned something here. Please feel free to give us any comments, suggestions, future product reviews down below. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for further updates. And if you have any further questions, you can always find us at shopburt.com. Thank you for being with us today. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.